this Lego City bus station. Sorry I haven't been making more videos lately. It's still season 2. So let's get building. I'm gonna skip it. So I'm gonna get building. Okay guys, so the bus is finished. So let's get reviewing. So here it is, the newsstand. And there's the lady holding a nickel or whatever it is. And there's a little girl with a cell phone. It has numbers in it. It has batteries and stuff. And that's the little girl's dog. Ruff, ruff. And this also, that's a girl with a wheelchair. And there's the bus station. The bus there with a little trash can. And this is for the wheelchair ramp. And this is a guy with a helmet. It has a bike with 2 wheels and the light there and with a helmet. And there's also an old man holding a suitcase. Maybe this suitcase really opens. Let me see. It opens. And there's the bus driver. He has a suit and a tie and the open logo. And here's the real deal, the bus. It also has a bike rack with a bike sticking and a door on the front, and in the back it has a baby carriage door and a wheelchair door, and it has 2 mirrors and a route, and this also opens. You can also open it if you want to do a video with it, if you want to play with it. So that's all the reviews. Hey guys, that's the review. But I still forgot to do these reviews about the newspaper stand. That it has the light there and 2 apples there, green and red, and it has 2 newspapers, and it has 2 cups. And now to review the bus stop, I forgot to review that it has a bike rack there, and there's beach party poster there, and all. But I think that's a good place to stop. Make sure you keep a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.